Welcome to Weekly Spanish Review. This is from Mr. Jones' Spanish 1 classes from April 19th to April 23rd. This week, we looked at some of these translations in the textbook. You saw the words and the pictures here, and then you had to copy them in Spanish and then write them down in English too. So I'm going to go over some of these translations. In this first one, we got La pitcher lanza la pelota. Some of the good things in this unit is a lot of the words look similar in English and Spanish. So we know la pitcher is pitcher. You could also say lanzadora. And then we know our verb lanzar means to throw. So the pitcher throws the ball. Notice how we have to conjugate verbs. Remember, we've been talking about this for a while, how we change the endings to conjugate. So lanzar is an AR verb. So if it's he or she, it's lanza. Remember, if you wanted to say I throw, yo lanzo, or yo tiro. So we've got our sentence here. We've also got an extra word, la jardinera, which we know from our list is outfielder. Looking at this second, this one, it looks a little weird because these words look similar. But la bateadora batea, bateadora is talking about the person, the batter. And then our verb comes next, which is batear, to bat. So the batter bats. Remember how we conjugated at the end? He or she batea. Yo bateo, tú bateas, and so forth. Some other words we see here for home plate, el plato, and el bate for bat. Over here we can see some of these words that are in our picture. Correr, he's to run. Atrapar, to catch. Guante is the glove. And then el campo de béisbol is talking about the baseball field. Now onto the sentences. El jugador, or beisbolista, corre de una base a otra. So we know el jugador is the player. We could also say the baseball player, beisbolista, runs from one base to another. Notice our conjugation again. Correr, since we're talking about he, corre. El jugador corre de una base a otra. Now what is this player doing right here? This jugador. El jugador atrapa la pelota. The player catches the ball. Atrapa la pelota con el guante. He catches the ball with the glove. Moving over to basketball. El jugador dribla con el balón. The player dribbles with the ball. El jugador tira el balón. The player shoots the ball, or the player throws the ball. Cuando mete el balón en el cesto, encesta. When he puts the ball in the basket, he scores a basket. And then finally moving over to tennis. We've got words like la pelota for the ball, la raqueta for the racket, por encima de, over, la red is the net, and then a tennis court, una cancha de tenis. Las amigas juegan al tenis. The friends play tennis. Una jugadora. So we know a player, and then since it ends in a female player, we've got a new verb here, golpear, to hit. So a player hits the ball. Otra jugadora devuelve la pelota. Another player returns the ball. La pelota tiene que pasar por encima de la red. The ball has to pass over the net. And then finally, juegan individuales, no juegan dobles. They play individuals or singles. They don't play doubles. I was really pleased with how everyone did the translations. You're picking up the sports vocabulary very well. Continue studying your sports and keep up the good work.